Hello everyone, in this video, I will guide you step by step on how to make a withdrawal from your Worldcoin Vault using the World app. First, open the World app on your phone. On the home page, look for the Worldcoin section and tap on it. This will bring you directly to your Vault area, where your balance is stored. Next, tap on the option that says Vault. Inside the Vault, you will see several options. The one you need to select is Transfer Out. Tap on Transfer Out to continue. You will now be asked to choose the amount you want to withdraw from your vault. Enter the amount or adjust it as needed. Once you have set the correct amount, tap on Continue. The app will then show you a summary screen. This screen displays all the important details of your withdrawal. Take a moment to carefully review this information. Check that the amount is correct and that you are comfortable with the details provided. If everything looks good, go ahead and tap on Confirm Withdrawal. Once you confirm, the request will be processed by the app. You do not need to do anything else at this point. And that is it. You have now completed a withdrawal from your Worldcoin Vault. Thanks for watching.